Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we resume our US-98 South series in Lakeland, Florida, beginning at Florida mile 475.8, just south of Interstate 4. We're following US-98 South, concurrent here with hidden State Road 35 South and State Road 700 South. This is a busy commercial corridor with multiple lanes, a raised median, frequent traffic signals, and plenty of familiar traveler services along the roadside. Lakeland had an estimated population of 125,520 as of July 1, 2025, making it the largest city in Polk County. The median household income was $64,185, and the median value of owner-occupied housing units was $249,400, according to the 2020 through 2024 census estimates. Lakeland was founded by Abraham Munn, a Kentucky businessman who bought land in what is now downtown Lakeland in 1882, and the city was incorporated in 1885. The name comes from the many lakes in and around the city, including Lake Parker, Lake Mirror, Lake Martin, and Lake Hollingsworth. For visitors, Lakeland is known for its downtown lakefront, Hollis Garden, Bonnet Springs Park, Circle B Bar Reserve, the Detroit Tigers' long spring training connection, and Florida Southern College, which has the world's largest single-site collection of Frank Lloyd Wright architecture. The city also hosts major annual events like Sun and Fun Aerospace Expo, Mayfair by the Lake, and the Lakeland Swan Derby. We now cross Memorial Boulevard, which carries US 92 and State Road 546 across Lakeland. This is also where State Road 700 leaves us for a while, turning left with Memorial Boulevard toward Lake Parker Road. US 92 is one of Florida's long east-west US highways, running west toward Plant City, Tampa, and St. Petersburg, and east toward Auburndale, Lake Alfred, Kissimmee, Orlando, DeLand, and Daytona Beach. Memorial Boulevard is a major urban arterial through Lakeland, and this intersection is one of the city's key route change points. We continue south on US 98 and SR 35, still on Florida Avenue, with downtown Lakeland just off to our right and the Lake Parker area off to our left. At Bartow Road, US 98 makes a left turn and the route stack changes again. State Road 35 leaves us here while we pick up State Road 548, a short Lakeland in-town bypass that carries traffic around the edge of downtown. Straight ahead, Florida Avenue continues as SR 37, the route through the Dixieland area and south toward Mulberry. SR 548 is a relatively short but important connector, carrying US 98 traffic from Florida Avenue over toward Bartow Road without sending the main highway directly through the older downtown street grid. The road is still urban, still multi-lane, and still busy, but the feel starts shifting from north side commercial strip to a crosstown connector. At Main Street, SR 600 crosses our route, and SR 35 returns from the right to resume its hidden concurrency with US-98. Main Street is one of Lakeland's older east-west city streets, tying back to our downtown, local government offices, and the historic core of the city. From here, US-98 is pointed more clearly toward Bartow, Fort Meade, Frostproof, Okeechobee, and eventually West Palm Beach. This short section through Lakeland is a good example of how Florida highways can carry several visible and hidden designations at once, even when the road itself feels like a normal city arterial. We cross Lake Parker Road, and SR 700 returns to US 98 from the left. Lake Parker Road heads north toward Lake Parker, the largest lake in the city, and one of the features that helps explain Lakeland's name. From here, US 98, SR 35, and SR 700 continue together along Bartow Road. The corridor opens into a broad commercial roadway with auto dealerships, gas stations, medical buildings, small shopping centers, and side streets feeding in from both directions. Ahead, US 98 will continue southeast toward Polk State College, the Polk Parkway, and eventually Bartow, the county seat of Polk County. We conclude today's video at mile 482. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.